Building Basics in Roblox Studio. Welcome back to NexLevel Tech. Today, we're diving into the building basics of Roblox Studio. If you've ever dreamed of creating platforms, buildings, or even a giant flying burrito, you're in the right place. Grab your virtual hard hats and let's get started. All right, so Roblox Studio is like your virtual Lego set, but instead of stepping on blocks and screaming in pain, you get to build cool stuff without the mess. Today, we're going to focus on 3 main skills: moving, scaling, and rotating objects. Let's start with moving objects. To move an object, just click on it to select it, then hit the Move tool up here on the toolbar. Now, grab those arrows and slide your cube across the base plate. Boom! It's like the cube is going on a little road trip. Destination, wherever you want. And remember, precision is key. Unless, of course, you're aiming for chaos, in which case, just fling it around and call it abstract art. Next up, scaling. This is how you make your objects bigger, smaller, or completely unrecognizable. Click on the Scale tool and use the little spheres to stretch or shrink your cube. Want a super tall tower? Go for it. Want a pancake flat cube? Sure, why not? The world is your waffle. Pro tip: try to keep things proportional unless you want your platform to look like it's been through a rough day. Finally, let's rotate. Click the Rotate tool and you'll see these colorful circles. Grab one and spin your object like it's a wheel on The Price is Right. Just try not to get dizzy. Rotating is great for things like stairs, ramps, or creating that one crooked wall that drives perfectionists crazy. You know who you are. Now that you're a pro at moving, scaling, and rotating, let's build a simple scene. Think platforms, structures, and whatever else you want to throw in there. Let's start with a basic platform. First, drag a block onto the base plate. Use the Scale tool to stretch it into a nice, flat platform. This will be your stage for whatever chaos you plan to unleash. Next, let's add some pillars. Drag another block onto your platform, scale it tall, and position it like a support beam. Congratulations! You've just made something structurally sound. Call the engineers, we're ready for business. Now, for some flair, add a ramp, rotate it into place, and watch your character climb it like a champion. If your character trips, that's just a design feature. Okay, real talk. Precision matters. A messy scene is like a messy room. Nobody wants to step on a random block and fall off the map. Use the grid snap feature to keep everything neat and tidy. Trust me, your future players will thank you. And if you're feeling lazy, just tell people it's creative chaos. Works every time. Awesome job! You've just built your first scene in Roblox Studio. Now you're one step closer to creating your dream game or your dream world of floating pizza islands. In the next episode, we'll level up and create an obstacle course. Get ready for some serious jumping action. Until then, keep building, keep dreaming, and remember, the only limit is your imagination and maybe your internet speed. See you next time.
For more Roblox tutorials, subscribe to NexLevel Tech. Don't forget to like the video